Have you ever wondered what would actually happen if you did lunges every single day? Not just once in a while, but as a daily habit. Maybe you're hoping for stronger legs, better balance, or that toned lower body everyone talks about, but you're not sure if lunges alone can really make a difference. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how one simple move can quietly change the way your body looks, feels, and moves. If we haven't met before, I'm a certified fitness coach, and my job is to help you build strength in a way that fits real life. Lunges matter because they're one of the most functional exercises you can do, meaning they train your body for everyday movements like walking, climbing stairs, and getting up off the floor. When done consistently, they don't just work your legs, they train your balance, core, and even your mindset. By watching this video all the way through, you'll learn what really happens to your body when lunges become a daily habit. This is an educational and light workout style video, so no pressure to sweat the whole time. There's no equipment needed and everything can be done at home or the gym. I'll share beginner-friendly options along with ways to progress if lunges already feel easy for you. Understanding lunges. Let's start with what lunges actually do. A lunge is a single leg exercise, which means each side of your body has to work on its own. That's important because most people are stronger on one side without realizing it. Lunges help correct those imbalances over time, which can lead to better posture and fewer aches in your hips and knees. When done consistently, they don't just work your legs, they train your core and balance even, and your mindset. First week changes. During the first week of daily lunges, most people notice awareness more than results. You become very aware of your legs, hips, and balance. You might feel shaky, especially if you're doing forward or reverse lunges. That shaking is your stabilizer muscles waking up. Your heart rate may also go up faster than expected. Lunges demand more oxygen because they use large muscle groups. This means even slow, controlled reps can feel like cardio. That's a good sign that your body's working hard and burning energy. This is also the week to focus on form. Keep your chest tall, step far enough forward, and push through your front heel. If full lunges feel like too much, start with stationary split squats or hold onto a chair for balance. Strength and muscle tone. After a couple of weeks, strength gains start to show up. Everyday tasks like standing up, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries feel easier. Your legs begin to feel more solid and supportive instead of tired and weak. Muscle tone becomes more noticeable around the thighs and glutes. Lunges are especially effective for shaping the glutes because they force your hips to extend with control. If your goal is a lifted, stronger lower body, lunges can help, especially when paired with enough protein from foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, or Greek yogurt. It's important to vary your lunges as your body adapts. Forward lunges, reverse lunges, walking lunges, and lateral lunges all stress the muscles slightly differently. This variety helps prevent plateaus and keeps your joints feeling healthy.
Balance and core benefits. One of the biggest benefits people don't expect is improved balance. Because lunges are done one leg at a time, your body learns how to stabilize itself better. This is especially helpful as you get older, but it matters at any age. Your core plays a major role here. Even though lunges are a leg exercise, your abs and lower back work to keep you upright. Over time, this can improve core strength without doing traditional ab exercises every day. Better balance also translates to better performance in other workouts. Squats feel stronger, running feels smoother, and even simple walks feel more controlled and confident. Fat loss and daily movement. A common question is whether daily lunges help with fat loss. Lunges burn calories, especially when done with good form and enough volume. They won't magically burn belly fat on their own, but they do increase daily activity and muscle engagement. More muscle means a slightly higher calorie burn over time. When lunges are combined with regular walking, good sleep, and balanced meals, they can support fat loss in a realistic way. Think of lunges as part of a bigger picture, not a quick fix. If fat loss is your goal, you can increase the challenge by adding tempo, pulses, or light weights like dumbbells or a backpack. Even bodyweight lunges done slowly can be very effective. The real power of daily lunges. Here's the most important thing to understand. The biggest change from doing lunges every day isn't just physical, it's mental. Showing up daily builds consistency, and consistency builds confidence. Lunges teach you how to handle discomfort, stay balanced under pressure, and finish reps even when your legs are tired. This habit spills into other areas of your life. You start trusting yourself more. You realize you don't need complicated workouts to see progress. Just one strong, simple movement done consistently can create real change. That's the real power of daily lunges. They train your body, but they also train your discipline. Smart daily lunges. Before we wrap up, let's talk about recovery. Doing lunges every day doesn't mean pushing to exhaustion every time. Some days can be lighter, slower, or focused on mobility. Stretching your hips, quads, and hamstrings after your workout will help keep your joints feeling good. The key takeaways are simple. Daily lunges build leg strength, improve balance, support fat loss, and boost confidence. When done with good form and smart variety, they're safe, effective, and incredibly efficient. Your body doesn't need perfection, it needs consistency and care. If this video helped you understand lunges in a new way, tap the like button so I know to make more content like this. Subscribe to the channel for simple, effective fitness guidance you can actually stick to, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future workouts. Drop a comment below and tell me how many lunges you're doing each day, or ask a question about lower body training. And when you're ready, check out the next video on the channel to build a stronger, healthier routine step by step.